So whenever you edit out photos and save it, a copy of it is saved. So if I were to actually go around over here, you can see that this is the before and this is the after. So whenever you actually go ahead and edit out a picture, you can save a before and after version of it. Let's say, for example, you can see one right here as well. And apart from that, I got some others as well. Let's say, for example, I got this particular picture. And if I were to go around over here onto edit, then what happens is that I can go ahead and edit this according to how I want. So I'm just going to go ahead and utilize some suggestions like dynamic or luminous right here, just like this. I can go ahead and change this out, and you can see that save copy is an option. So by default, when you edit out, then a copy is actually saved right here. And if I were to go back right here and forth, you can see the before and after right here immediately, as you can see right here. And this is how you can compare the original photo with the edited photo inside of Google Photos, as they are automatically saved as a copy, as you can see. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.